So you're thinking about making a move to Houston, Texas. I'm excited to show you around as we have so much to offer. We are in Montgomery, Texas today, and I'm sitting in the Gracepoint model. They are building in several communities throughout Houston. However, this community is Chapel Bend, and it's located off of FM 1097 in Montgomery. And I'm going to show you around the model and tell you a little bit more about this fabulous builder that is family owned and run. And by the end of this video, you're going to understand why Gracepoint is very much home to consider if you are looking for semi-custom home in a reasonable price range. If this is your first time to the channel and you are interested in all things living in Houston and the surrounding suburbs, subscribe and you'll be the first to know about the current housing market in Houston, Texas. I'm Erica Sprague. I have lived and worked in the Houston area for almost 20 years. I grew up in San Antonio. I went to Texas A&M University, and then I moved to Houston and made it my home. So I love helping others move in and around Houston. So whether your move is 9 days or 90 days from now, feel free to reach out. Our contact information is in the description, and we'd love to hear from you on how we can help you make your move to the Houston area as seamless as possible. Okay, so here we are outside of the model, and as you can see, they have brick and hardy plank on the exterior. You have a covered front porch, so you can sit out here and look at your neighborhood, which is very necessary when you live in an acreage community. That's one of the benefits of having property, is you get to sit outside and enjoy it. So as I mentioned, you have 8-foot interior doors coming in with a minimum of 10 feet ceiling height. This floor plan is just under 4,000 square feet. It has a study, as you just saw, a flex room. It has a total of 4 bedrooms and 4.5 bathrooms. Each one of the secondary bedrooms has its own ensuite, so a private bathroom. No one has to share. Everyone has their own privacy. So you'll see the solid surface flooring here. And in the model, they've opted to put the solid surface flooring in the study and in the flex room. When we walk into the living area, you have much higher ceilings in here. You have a beam, give it a lot of character. This is the gorgeous kitchen, large island with the sink, stainless steel appliances, your 42-inch cabinets, your lighted cabinetry spaces. And whether you use that or it's just decorative, it gives the house such a great finished feel. This is an entry to our pantry, kind of called a country kitchen. And you have your microwave down here, some more cabinets, a wine fridge. And then this is the pantry. Walk in, which is really nice. Keeps you organized, allows you to stock up on things you use on a regular basis without feeling like you don't have enough space. Here's your 6-burner range, which is very important. There's your vent. Here's your dining space. This room is optional. It's an extension, and so you don't have to have it with the floor plan, but it is a minimal cost to extend this space and include it. And it just gives you another place to sit and enjoy your friends, your family, your coffee. This is the mudroom, and just a little closet here. It's off of the garage. This floor plan standard comes with a 2-car garage, but in the model, they have added it to be 3. And what they have in here is all their design options. So when you come in and you decide to build with them, you don't have to go anywhere right off the bat. You get to see all of the options here. And that is really cool. It makes it very convenient. So we're going to come back down this second hallway and see the third secondary bedroom. Here you do have an attic pull, so that's how you would access your attic. Here's our powder room. And then here is the third secondary bedroom. And it's full bathroom. And here we are in the laundry room, and it is oversized. So you have a folding station, and then you can have your full-size washer dryer. And it's connected to the primary bathroom, which is super efficient, makes doing laundry really easy. It's also located in a pretty central location, so you're close to the secondary bedrooms and the primary. This is your full shower, as you can see. You have a wand and a shower head. This is the his and hers closet concept. You have your pedestal tub, which does come standard in every floor plan. Your second entry into the shower. Your second closet in the primary. You do have a linen closet, that's right here. And then here is the primary bedroom. Nice and spacious. You could have a sitting area if you like. Lots of windows. It's just beautiful. There's a really good flow to this floor plan. And here we are back in the main living area. Then we're going to take a peek outside and show you this gorgeous covered patio. You can extend the patio, and you can add an outdoor kitchen option. Again, you know, when you live in the country, the goal is really to utilize your outdoor space. So this comes in handy. And then here is this backyard. So the model is located on just about 1 acre. So this gives you an idea of almost a 4,000 square foot house, which is 1 story. So that's the footprint of this home. You're getting a really good idea of how much space you're going to have left when you put this size of a 1 story, including a 3-car garage, on a 1 acre lot. So lots of space. You could build a pool, you could have a playground, you could have a trampoline, you could have a baseball net, a hitting net, all kinds of things you could do to enjoy this backyard. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you found this useful and you'd like to know about other builders or other communities in the North Houston area, I'd love you to check out some of our other videos.